Traveling Alishan, Taiwan, Part 1, Nature and Culture of Alishan.
Hi, welcome. Today we are going to talk in depth about a famous place in Taiwan, Alishan. You may immediately think of the sunrise, the sea of clouds, or the high mountain tea, right?
Yes, these are all very famous.
But this time, we want to dig out some more interesting stories based on the information at hand.
Yes, we actually have quite a lot of information, including the culture of the Tsou people in Alishan and the very special ecotourism. Of course, there is also the high mountain tea industry, and even some historical and environmental change research.
Wow, it sounds like a lot of content. Okay, then our goal this time is to take you to quickly understand the cultural heritage of the Tsou people in Alishan, and see what is so special about the Dana Yigu. And how does the tea economy affect the local area?
Yes, in addition to the 5 wonders of Alishan that everyone talks about, what other highlights are there?
That's right. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Okay. First of all, there is a concept that may need to be clarified first. It's Alishan. It's not just a mountain.
Oh, isn't it?
It's an area, part of the Alishan Mountains.
This is the main home of the Tsou people, an indigenous ethnic group.
Tsou people.
Yes, currently, the main communities are Tapango and Tfuya. And the population of the Tsou people is less than 10,000, which is a very precious indigenous ethnic group.
Wow, less than 10,000. I read the information about Tsou culture and it seems very interesting. They believe that everything has a spirit.
Yes, this is very important, and this belief is in their lives.
How do you say it?
For example, the doors for men and women in their houses are different and separate.
Why?
Each has its own purpose, and they believe that this way they will not interfere with different spirits.
Oh, that's what it is.
The information also mentioned that they even have a hidden escape door to protect the outer soul.
Wow, so cool.
Yes, this kind of reverence for spirits also extends to some daily taboos. Like, for example, if they see a snake before hunting, they will think it is a warning, hey, maybe they won't go out today and will go home. Or if someone at home sneezes before going out, they will also think, it seems unlucky.
I mean, it sounds beautiful. This is their holy place.
Yes, holy place. This place actually experienced the August 8th typhoon, and it was severely damaged at that time.
I remember it was very serious.
But the tribe showed that kind of amazing resilience, and everyone worked together to rebuild their home. And what's more interesting is that it is the first ecological park in Taiwan that was initiated from the bottom up, that is, by the community itself, and then successfully preserved.
Wow, the community did it themselves.
Yes, in the past, because outsiders would come to poison and electrocute fish, the ecology of that stream was almost destroyed.
It's terrible.
The local tribesmen couldn't stand it, so they organized a conservation team to protect a unique fish in the stream, called croaker.
Croaker.
Yes, it's commonly known as bitter flower.
Oh, bitter flower, I know that fish is very beautiful.
Yes, the community is doing conservation by itself. This is actually not easy. Really, it's hard to sustain. It's really not easy. But their efforts really paid off, the stream water became very clean, and the fish population returned.
Great.
Later, they even received the Presidential Cultural Award for this, which proves that community-led conservation can be successful.
Well, this gives a lot of people hope. It sounds like it's really worth experiencing. Well, this gives a lot of people hope. It sounds like Dana Igu is really worth experiencing.
The information mentioned some very special activities. Yes, yes.
Like the floating restaurant, it sounds great.
Yes, the floating restaurant is really interesting, it's not next to the water. What else? You can soak your feet in the cool, clear water and eat.
Is that true? eating with your feet in the water.
Really, you can imagine the scene: the valley surrounds your feet, the flowing water, and there may be fish swimming around.
I feel so comfortable just thinking about it. But the information seems to say that it is not always available.
Yes, there are restrictions. The best time to experience it is the dry season, which is probably March or April or September and October, when the water level is better.
But even if it is not the best time, just sitting by the stream and soaking your feet, let the schools of carp approach you.
Yes, the fish will come close.
Yes, the tour guide joked that this is a natural exfoliator.
Haha.
Yes, and then while eating the Tsou ethnic group's special meal, the tranquility in the valley is rare.
Yes.
There are also designated foot soaking areas for general visitors, and you can also try making your own bamboo cup using local bamboo.
Make your own bamboo cup.
Yes. After you make it, you can take it home and use it as a pen holder or vase. It's a truly unique souvenir.
This experience is truly unique. But when it comes to Alishan, the most familiar tea is probably the high mountain tea. Yes, it cannot be ignored. The oolong tea here is very famous.
Yes, Alishan high mountain tea, especially oolong, is characterized by its fresh and mellow fragrance. Many people also say that it has a special gelatinous texture.
What does gelatinous texture feel like?
Well, it means that when you drink it, you will feel that the tea soup seems to be smoother and thicker. Or it has a very charming floral fragrance.
Oh, it sounds very high-end. But there seems to be a more complex economic situation behind the tea industry. Does the data mention a symbiotic relationship?
Yes, this part is a bit more in-depth. The data shows that in places like Leh Village, many tea gardens are actually owned by plain people, that is, Han people. They rent land from the Tsou people to operate. Sometimes they even use the name borrowing contract.
Name borrowing contract.
It is to register in the name of the Tsou people in order to comply with some land use regulations. Usually, the people of the plains have the capital, technology, and sales channels.
So they have more profits.
That's usually the case, that's right. The Tsou people have become an important source of labor, for example, helping to pick tea leaves and make tea. This forms a kind of so-called economic symbiosis. But at the same time, it may also make the Tsou people more dependent or relatively weak economically.
This is indeed quite complicated.
Yes. So in recent years, some Tsou people have also begun to seek transformation, such as switching to growing coffee, oil tea, or running their own homestays.
Well, diversification. This does reflect some of the situations that may occur under economic development.